Recent reports of U.S. media have confronted the coronavirus lab leak claim, saying that the accusation of COVID-19 leaks from a Wuhan lab lacks supportive facts or scientific evidence. Among this podcast, Sway, an interview program from New York Times Opinion, top U.S. infectious disease expert Anthony Fauci talked about his views on the lab leak theory.
In April of last year, President Trump announced that his administration had evidence that proves the lab leak theory, but never put it forth. Did you see any evidence?
I mean, I haven't seen it because I'm not sure it exists. What we're seeing right now is a major increase in incidents of interest, that is, of tweeting, of speculation, but no real increase in definitive data or evidence whatsoever. And I think the people who look carefully at that really come away with saying, well, what is different now than what was known or being said a year ago?
Fauci also questioned the credibility of the so-called intelligence that 3 members of the lab were ill. He thinks the most likely explanation for the virus origin is a natural leap from animals to humans.
You know, there is this so-called intelligence that 3 members of the Wuhan lab were ill, requiring hospitalization. And I really wonder what the strength of that intelligence is, what the confidence in it is. I always keep an open mind. I feel, as do the overwhelming majority of scientists who have knowledge of virology and knowledge of evolutionary biology, that the most likely explanation for this is a natural leap from an animal reservoir to a human.
U.S. host Jon Stewart on a recent TV show blamed the Wuhan lab for coronavirus, saying that the pandemic was more than likely caused by science. His remarks led to pushback from many scientists. American neurophysiologist Dr. Kiki Sanford tweeted, "I saw the clip and am concerned to see Stewart promoting the conspiracy, even if it's just for laughs." U.S. medical scientist Dr. Peter Hotez also urged Stewart and others to be more prudent when discussing the potential origin of COVID-19.
The entertainment value of this over and above what's reality, and it causes a lot of damage because a number of scientists who work on coronaviruses, including myself, feel that we're being under attack right now.